Yes, plains are frozen in Germany, as you just saw. The snowy winter in Germany is more relentless than ever, and Munich has been hit by a blizzard believed to be the heaviest in the last 20 years. A cold, unforgiving landscape unfolded, leaving people waking up under the crushing weight of up to 50 km of snow, causing desolate chaos on Germany's streets and roads. The halls of Munich airport became silent and desolate, with all flights suspended on Saturday. A vicious winter storm has dumped a 50 layer of snow over southern Germany, Austria, and Switzerland, plunging Central Europe into a state of disorder and despair. On December 2, Munich experienced the heaviest snowfall in 2 decades. Grim Weather News had already issued level 2 and 3 warnings for heavy snowfall, painting a grim picture for southern Bavaria. The city of Munich, along with areas such as Baden-Württemberg, was under the shadow of a level 3 alert, the most severe, which would persist until at least December 3. The unbelievable became reality, a frozen and merciless landscape covering the city. The weight of the snow isolated cities left areas without power and turned urban landscapes into desolate scenes. Local public transport was disrupted, while sporting events were postponed by the storm's white fury. Even the trees bowed under the weight of the snow, and danger hung over people's heads, warning of imminent avalanches. The chaos spread to Austria, where roads and railways became impassable, and snowfall caused widespread disruption. Avalanche danger has raised alert levels in Austria's Tyrol and Berg provinces after recording 50 centimeters of snow. The grim situation in Germany persisted, with experts warning that up to 60 km of snow could accumulate in some places. Do you consider this normal? The occurrences around the world are remarkable. Snow in the desert, plains freezing, the climate warming unusually, earthquakes in places where there have never been before. Nature is acting. The signs are everywhere, whether you believe it or not. Many comment calling it fake news, etc. This is not a news channel. I'm sharing facts that are happening. It doesn't matter if it's today, yesterday, or last week. They occurred and are there for all to see. The signs are evident, and one certainty is that Jesus is getting closer every day. Then, the sign of the Son of Man will appear in heaven, and all the nations of the earth will mourn and will see the Son of Man coming in the clouds of heaven with power and great glory. Matthew 24:30, Niv.
Substantial snowfall also blanketed parked cars with a layer of snow after being stationary for several hours. Music. In just over